Welcome back to the Engine Xperts, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of car engines. I'm Stephen Adebi, your guide to understanding the art of your vehicle. In today's module, we will explore the basics of car engines and unlock the secrets behind their powerful performance. Let's start by understanding the marvel of engineering known as the internal combustion engine. It's the power source that propels most cars on the road today. But how does it work? Simply put, an internal combustion engine converts fuel into mechanical energy through controlled explosions. These explosions occur inside the engine cylinders, generating the power that moves your vehicle forward. To understand how an engine works, we need to explore its key components and their functions. Let's take a closer look at some vital parts. Cylinders. These are the chambers where the fuel-air mixture ignites and the power is generated. And pistons, they move up and down inside the cylinders, translating the combustion energy into mechanical motion. Crankshaft, this converts the linear motion of the pistons into rotational motion, ultimately driving the wheels of your car. Each component plays a crucial role in the engine's operation, working together harmoniously to generate power and propel your vehicle forward. Car engines typically operate using either a four-stroke or two-stroke cycle. Let's uncover the differences between these two engine designs. In a four-stroke engine, the cycle consists of four phases: intake, compression, combustion, and exhaust. This design offers better fuel efficiency and lower emissions. On the other hand, a two-stroke engine completes the same process in just two strokes, but it sacrifices some efficiency for simplicity and higher power output. As we venture deeper into the world of engines, it's essential to grasp some common terminology. Let's cover a few key terms you encounter along the way. Horsepower. It measures the engine's power output, indicating how much work it can perform. Torque. This represents the engine's rotational force, influencing acceleration and towing capabilities. Compression ratio. It measures the volume of the cylinder at the largest and smallest points, affecting engine performance. Understanding these terms will enable you to better interpret engine specifications and appreciate the engineering behind car performance. Congratulations on completing Module 2 of the Engine Xperts coaching tutorial. Today, we explore the basics of car engines from the internal combustion process to essential components and terminology. Stay tuned for Module 3, Engine Operation and Systems. We will cover fuel delivery systems, the carburetors versus fuel injection, ignition systems, the spark plugs, coils, and distributor. We cover cooling systems, the radiator, water pump, and thermostat. We also cover lubrication systems, which is the oil pump, filters, and oil types, and also exhaust systems, the manifold, catalyst converter, and muffler. As we delve even deeper into the exciting world of automotive engineering, remember, becoming an engine expert takes time and dedication. Keep exploring, asking questions, and fueling your passion for automotive knowledge. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.